Person is going from city A to city B by bus. The distance between his home and bus station is 16 kilometers, for which he booked a cab which was moving at an average speed of 25 kilometers per hour. But the driver dropped him at another bus station, which was still 6 kilometers away from the actual bus station he wanted to reach. Okay, so this is city A. This is city B. So he wanted to go to a bus station, which was 16 kilometers away. But the cab dropped him at 10-kilometer point from A because he had another 6 kilometers to go. Thereafter, he walked these 6 kilometers at the speed of 5 meters per second. So once he reached the bus station, he boarded the bus, which moved at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour to cover the distance of 150 kilometers. So the remaining is 150 kilometers. The total time taken for his journey from his home to the bus station at city B is 5.5 hours. Okay, so A to B is total 5.5 hours. So calculate the halt time of the bus in minutes during his journey if he did not take a halt anywhere else. So this is 3 parts. So first is from A to the point where, so let's call this point P, where the cab dropped him. So he traveled 10 kilometers and the cab was moving at the speed of 25 kilometers per hour. So how much time is he going to take? So the time here is going to be 10 by 25 into 60. So these many minutes. So if we solve this, we will have 24 minutes. Then P to bus station, that is 6 kilometers he traveled at the speed of 5 meters per second. So the total time he is going to take will be 6 kilometers divided by 5 meters per second. So let's convert kilometers into meters. So 6,000 meters by 5 meters per second. This is going to give us 1200 seconds, which is going to be 20 minutes. Now from the bus station to the city B, this is 150 kilometers he has traveled, and the speed is 50 kilometers per hour at which the bus moved. So the time he is going to take is 150 kilometers divided by 50 kilometers per hour. So this is going to be 3 hours. So he took a total of 3 hours, which is nothing but 180 minutes, plus 24 minutes, plus 20 minutes, which is a total of 224 minutes that he took. Well, because of the halt and everything, the bus traveled 5.5 hours. So 5.5 hours into 60 is going to give us 330 minutes. So this is how much time the bus took. This is how much time for which the, not the bus took, but this is the entire time from his city to the city B. And this is the entire time for which the traveling was happening. So the difference between them is 106 minutes, for which there is no data about it. So obviously for these 106 minutes, the bus must have taken the halt and must have stopped at places.